excited today. So here we are, quick unboxing of the hidden Woodsmen Day Ruck that I ordered from the good old US of A. This took about, I think about 4 weeks from ordering to arriving to picking it up this morning at the post office. So just a quick overview before I take it out for some proper use. So let's have a little look here. Try not to cut the actual bag, would be helpful. Right. Packaging's in very good condition considering it's come from the other side of the world. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh well, first things first. You get a sticker. Now that's sold me already. That's it. That does it for me. Free sticker. I'm an happy man. So, Hidden Woodsman, made in New England, USA. Nice. Hang on. Oh, you what? Another free sticker, and it's a festive one. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to me. That looks beautiful. Oh yeah, that's a good size. Gorgeous. Stitching looks pucker, as you would hope. Nice sort of rubberized patch there. I think that's the newer style. The old ones were material, I think. Oh yes. That's nice and secure. Nice padding. Well, these buckles, GSI buckles, they feel nice and secure. Got a good snap. Cool. Oh, it's got the nice Velcro retainers, so you haven't got dangly straps everywhere. Sweet, let's have a look inside. Oh, yes, mate. Woohoo! It's got these flaps at the top. Don't know why I'm telling everybody, because pretty much everybody already knows this, I think. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Fantastic. That's one of the things that sold me on it as well. This bright orange inner is just so handy when you actually try to root around. So most bags, obviously, they're really pitch black inside, and you're rooting around, can't find anything. But that's great. Is that plenty of room in there, like a big bucket. Obviously, pockets down the sides, the water bottle, and there's a mesh pocket as well on the front inside. Hold the old axe sleeve on the front. Yeah, man, really cool. Very pleased. Excellent. Well, first impressions, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10, but we shall see what it's like in use. So I'll come back to you with that once I actually give it a bit of a battering. Good stuff, mate. Nice.